Where is, meets.
Gdje je?
Learn Croatian directions fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey Explorer. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to find everything with
Gdje je?
quote ? Pack your imaginary suitcase, because your mouth is about to become a GPS. When in doubt, smile and ask.
Gdje je?
And poof, directions appear. Your goal today.
Gdje je?
You'll master one power phrase and 6 essential places. Short, sweet, and wildly useful. By the end, you'll confidently say,
Gdje je kolodvor? Gdje je muzej? Gdje je toalet? Gdje je plaža? Gdje je hotel? Gdje je banka?
Your feet will thank you. Say it right. Repeat after me. Rhythm makes memory sticky. Where is the station?
Gdje je kolodvor?
Where is the museum?
Gdje je muzej?
Where is the toilet?
Gdje je toalet?
Where is the beach?
Gdje je plaža?
Where is the hotel?
Gdje je hotel?
Where is the bank?
Gdje je banka?
Pro tip. Singular is.
Gdje je?
For plurals, use.
Gdje su?
E.g., where are the toilets?
Gdje su toaleti?
Closing parenthesis dot. Mini dialogue at the tram stop. Act it out with me, you're the curious traveler. You, excuse me, where is the museum? You, Croatian.
Oprostite, gdje je muzej?
Local, straight ahead, then left. Local, Croatian.
Ravno pa lijevo.
You, and where is the toilet, please? You, Croatian.
I gdje je toalet? Molim.
Local, by the bank. Local, Croatian.
Kod banke.
Narrator, your inner compass cheers, finally. Culture tip, polite and clear. Tiny tweaks make you sound super friendly. Start with a quick,
Oprostite.
excuse me, and end with,
Molim.
please. Pointing helps, but smiling helps more. And if signs confuse you, your magic key is still.
Gdje je?
Quote dot. Speed drill. You ask, I echo. I'll give the place, you fire the question fast. Station, say it. Answer.
Gdje je kolodvor?
Beach, go. Answer.
Gdje je plaža?
Hotel, now. Answer.
Gdje je hotel?
Museum, quick. Answer.
Gdje je muzej?
Bank, boom. Answer.
Gdje je banka?
Toilet, crucial. Answer.
Gdje je toalet?
Funny brain hooks. Let's glue it in your memory with a smile. Imagine a compass that only says,
Gdje je?
in every direction. It still kind of works. Think G for GPS and G for.
Gdje?
Your mouth is the map now. Chant it, clap clap.
Gdje je?
Clap, place word. Example.
Gdje je muzej?
Quote. Quiz time. Answer out loud, your plants won't judge. Q. How do you ask, where is the station, in Croatian? A.
Gdje je kolodvor?
Q. Say, where is the bank? A.
Gdje je banka?
Q. At the beach gate, ask, where is the beach? A.
Gdje je plaža?
Lightning. Where is the hotel? A.
Gdje je hotel?
Bonus plural. Where are the toilets? A.
Gdje su toaleti?
Street challenge. Your mission, if you choose to accept it. Pick 3 places you actually need today. Say them in Croatian as full questions while walking.
Gdje je muzej? Gdje je kolodvor? Gdje je toalet?
Reward yourself at the end with a victory selfie. Thanks and keep going. You nailed it. Keep your new superpower handy. Thanks for listening. Practice.
Gdje je?
Whenever you spot a sign or a map, and you'll sound natural fast. For more fun lessons, exercises, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next episode.